Hi, my name is Vidya, and I wanted to spend a few minutes talking about what value Naresh sir's classes have given me. I would say that Naresh sir is a live wire in the class. He has amazing energy. He has a lot of positive vibes, and the way he conducts these classes, and all of us are from different parts of the world. I think parts of India at least, and we all are listening. We all get so much value of it. That is why every day we come and without fail, we log in. We not only listen to what he is saying, but we are also actually using it for helping ourselves in improving ourselves. So the topics that he has covered are just across the globe, I would say, like, very important management topics that he's led, something about leadership, something about personal productivity, something about money, speed reading, affirmations, meditation, eating healthy, how to meet your goals, how to keep oneself on track to meet what you want, to achieve what you want, how to give back to society. And he's also come up with a couple of NGOs which are doing exactly that. And so people who are interested in improving themselves can definitely attend Naresh sir's classes. He is daily sessions. He is like just what he is charging. It's actually free on weekdays. The sessions that he conducts on weekdays, and on weekends also, it is the money that he's charging is extremely nominal compared to so many other folks who just charge a bomb. And he is doing this all from the love of his heart, from his own motivation to give back, to improve and coach other people, to help other people. And I would say that this is just an amazing community of people who are all coming together. Everybody just is in such a positive frame of mind, and we are all looking to learn more, gain more, and imbibe from Naresh sir's personality, his knowledge, and the way he is coming across to everyone. So I would say that I'm very grateful for being part of this initiative. I'm extremely happy to be here, and I hope to continue to be in this group forever. Thank you.